In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure you receive future updates for Google Chrome by managing your existing setup properly. To start off, you'll need to open your Google Chrome browser. Make sure it's currently not running any ongoing updates or downloads, as this process requires a bit of attention to detail to prevent any disruptions. Once you have Chrome open, take a moment to look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll notice 3 dots. This is the Chrome menu button, and it's your go-to spot for a lot of Chrome's functions and settings. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will bring up a new tab where all of your Chrome settings are located. Here, we can start making some necessary tweaks. Within the Settings tab, scroll down until you find the section titled About Chrome. Clicking on this section will automatically initiate a check for updates. It's a good idea to let this run to completion. If your Chrome is already up to date, you'll see a message confirming that you have the latest version. This is important because having the latest version usually resolves most update-related issues. Remember, keeping your browser updated is vital not only for new features, but also for security enhancements. Next, let's focus on clearing up any potential blocks that might hinder future updates. Sometimes, outdated or conflicting extensions can cause issues. Head back over to the main menu by clicking on those 3 dots again, and this time, select More Tools and then Extensions. In the Extensions page, you'll see a list of all the add-ons you've installed on your browser. Go through this and disable any that you don't use regularly, especially those you suspect may be outdated. Beyond extensions, it could be useful to clean up your browsing data if you're experiencing hiccup updates. To do this, navigate back to your Settings tab and look for Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data and make sure to mark cache, cookies, and other site data for removal. This might remove some autofill data and site-specific preferences, so be ready to re-enter some information on your commonly visited sites afterward. Lastly, if you're still facing challenges with your updates, consider resetting your browser settings. This can solve persistent bugs by reverting your settings to their default state. However, it will preserve your bookmarks and saved passwords. You can find this option under Reset Settings in the Settings tab. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're not only setting your Google Chrome up for future automatic updates, but also ensuring smoother browsing overall. Thanks for watching this guide.